How to install Sophos Antivirus on Windows. Step 1. Open the web browser. Step 2. Search for Sophos Free Antivirus. Step 3. Open the Sophos Free Antivirus website. Step 4. Go to the free version and click on Download Now. Step 5. Once the file is installed, open it. Step 6. In the User Account Control pop-up, click on Yes. Step 7. The Sophos extractor will pop up. Step 8. In the Welcome window, click on Install. Step 9. Wait for updates to download. Step 10. Once installation is finished, click on the Finish button. Step 11. In the scanning window, wait for the scan to complete or click on Go to Dashboard. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.